The best Christmas gifts don't always come in boxes. Sometimes they paint the sky. Precision is key, soldier. Straight lines. Let the colors flow, man. This one is gonna scream low and slow across the galaxy. Back behind the line, Mater. No accidental launches.
Best seats in the house. Stickers.
My show will be better. Just you wait.
Safety precautions were extensive.
Citizens of Radiator Springs, prepare for ignition. Bye. Wow, look at that color! Hey, that one looks just like me!
Groovy, man. It's painting the wind.
Now that is sonic discipline, loud and proud. Stupid discount fireworks!
Best view in the world up here. It's raining diamonds.
Here comes the lowrider love song.
Under the canopy of lights, the world felt perfect.
Not bad, hey, for a quiet little town. Here comes the big one. Tastes like burnt marshmallows and winter. Merry Christmas, Doc.
Merry Christmas, kid. That's a wrap, folks. Drive safe.
This year, Radiator Springs decided to celebrate Christmas, where the trees grow tall and wild.
It's so peaceful out here, Stickers. No neon, just nature.
Dadgum! These trees are bigger than a skyscraper. Here it is, the old grandfather pine.
We must respect the tree, man. Decorate with love, not force.
Why are we in the woods? My tires are freezing.
Chill out, chick. Feel the holiday breeze.
Rosso? Bello, bello.
Going up. Decorating in style. Uh-oh. I think I caught myself a matterfish. Hold still, buddy. You're decorating yourself.
No electricity needed. Just starlight and snow.
Dropping the frost. precision aim.
Simple is best. Hand-carved from fallen oak. The final piece wasn't gold, but it was precious.
As the sun set, the forest held its breath.
It's better than any trophy I've ever seen.
Ever seen?
Pretty, ain't it?
Yeah, Trey, and it's all right.
Yeah, it's all right.
To family, found and chosen.
Radar says heavy snow. We should stay here tonight.
Surrounded by friends and the quiet woods, they found the true spirit of Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all!
After the heavy storm, the old bridge to Willie's Butte was gone.
Oh no! How are we going to race on the butt now? We don't cry about it, Stickers. We build it back, stronger.
Heavy delivery coming through. Clear the road.
Don't worry, I'm the best crane in the West. You guys, build a bridge? It'll fall in 5 minutes.
Alignment looks good from up here, boys. Drop the first beam.
Whoa, I feel lighter already. A bridge is only as good as its foundation. Push!
Pete, stop.
My organic mortar mix, man. It binds with the Earth's energy. If we build it, we gotta make it beautiful. Let's see how sturdy this really is. I wouldn't do that if I were you, Hicks.
Lowering the keystone. Steady.
Look her piece, Ramon. It's a masterpiece, Ramon.
Me first. Hey! Wait your turn. Heavy traffic first. Mac, you test the weight. Here goes nothing. Hey, it's solid as a rock. Ka-chow! Look at me! I'm bridging backwards!
Smooth flow, man. Good energy.
Good work, team! Now let's race!
Kathy Copter, over and out.
The desert is known for heat and dust, but once in a blue moon, magic happens.
Who turned on the freezer? No way! It's snow! Actual snow!
This is Kathy Copter reporting live. The whole town is a winter wonderland.
Whoa, no traction!
Too cold for the low and slow. Today, we ride high. It's nature's confetti, man. Dig it! Turn right to go left, kid. Even on ice. The old racer knows every trick in the book. My back end is trying to pass my front end. Hey, Ramon! Catch! You gotta be faster than that!
Oops! Sorry, Fillmore.
With a little teamwork, they build a new friend. Not bad. Needs a paint job, though. As the sun goes down, the cold sets in. I'm going where the heater is.
But the lights of the town keep spirits high.
Nothing beats hot oil on a freezing night.
Kathy Copter, signing off for a warm cocoa.
It's beautiful, Doc.
Enjoy it, Stickers. It'll be gone by noon tomorrow.
The desert sleeps under a blanket of white.
I'm awake!
Warmest wishes from the coolest town. Far from the quiet canyons, the big city shines brighter than a supernova for Christmas.
Wow, these buildings are taller than the mountains back home. Hello, city! Let's get some holiday octane! Dadgum. It's like a disco ball exploded in here.
Move it! I'm a celebrity. I need to buy presents.
Look at those white walls. Stickers.
Very fancy.
Traffic is gridlocked on Fifth Avenue, but the holiday spirit is moving fast.
Now that is some serious paintwork. Respect. Pit stop. Pit stop. Whoa! I'm ice skating without the skates.
If you want to find the plaza, you have to follow the old tram lines.
My sensors, I'm blind.
Feel the rhythm of the city, man. It's electric. Finally, they reach the heart of the city. The Grand Plaza.
I got to pay, sir.
Someone forgot to pay the electric bill.
Ricky, Guido, we need your speed. Your speed. Plug it in. Finito. Huh? La gente interessa da pianta.
It rivals the stars back home, doesn't it?
Now that's what I call a light show. Even the Grinch needs a little holiday cheer.
Merry Christmas from the eye in the sky.
Best Christmas ever.
You betcha.
Big city lights or small town stars, the spirit is the same.
The desert sun. Unforgiving. Relentless. Today, Radiator Springs is an oven.
I think my tires are melting into the asphalt, Sally.
Just stay still, Stickers. Don't overheat your engine.
Is the great queen afraid of a little sunburn? I bet I can cross the deep sand dunes before you even start your engine. That sand is deep, man. Low and slow won't work there. You're on, chick. Eat my dust. Go! Whoa! This isn't a track. It's a bouncy castle. Oops. Watch out for the prickly pear.
Hey!
But the desert has a way of turning racers around. Water! A giant pool of cold water. It's huge! It's mine! Oh no! It's just sand! I'm stuck! I'd like to thank my producer.
I found them! Sector 7. They look baked.
I love sand. It tickles my tires. Need a lift, buddy? You look a little thirsty. Thanks, Mater. You're a lifesaver. I won the cup. I won. You two have sand in your filters and sun in your brains. Drink this, man. Organic cactus juice. It'll align your chi. The desert is beautiful, as long as you respect the heat. Ptuai! Tastes like lawnmower.
Minus 10 minutes until Christmas. And the town was dark.
Where is he? He should have been back an hour ago.
I'm stuck tight. My wheels are just spinning ice. I have to go on without you, Mac. The town needs this light. Ka-chow!
The road was slippery as glass, and the wind was howling.
5 minutes left. Maybe he got distracted by a snowflake? Oh no, the tunnel is blocked. I need a detour. I have to take the canyon pass. It's the only way.
I see him! He's taken the Widowmaker Pass! He's crazy!
Whoa! Steady! Steady!
Turn right to go left.
I see the town. Almost there.
Gravity was his engine now.
He's cutting it too close.
Coming through. You made it, buddy. You look like a popsicle.
Quick! The clock is striking!
Pit stop speed. I missed the race, didn't I? Didn't I?
And a happy holiday to everyone in Radiator Springs.
The sun rises over Radiator Springs. Another beautiful day for a race. Mac! Wake up! We're gonna be late! What? Is the race today?
This is Kathy Copter, reporting live. The team is finally moving.
Don't worry, boss. I'll get you there. But the highway to California is never empty. Oh no! Traffic jam. We're losing time, Mac.
Take the dirt road on the right. It's a shortcut.
Whoa! This is bumpy!
There it is, the
Lipton Cup Stadium.
Ka-chow! Yeah, ka-charo!
You can't beat me!
We will see about that! He's pushing it to the limit! We did it, team! Another trophy for the team! See you next race! Nothing beats a Sunday drive with you, Sally!
It's a beautiful day for a Judy-Ju drive.
Couldn't agree more.
Look out!
It's solid as a rock. We're stuck. Move it, McQueen! Some of us have races to win. Stand back. That's how I'd say. Let a real car handle this.
Ow. My grill.
Traffic jam on Route 66. A tree is down and tempers are rising.
Maybe I can slide under it. Low and slow. No way! No way! Not the paint! Abort mission! The tree is just resting, man. We should wait. All right, settle down. Panic won't move timber. Mater, we need torque. Hook up to the base. Hook up to the base. Mac, we need you to push while Matter pulls. Pit stop style. Come on, move! Dig in, Mater! Use your low gear! Here comes the dictator! Every bit of horsepower helps. You're welcome, everyone. I loosened it up for you. That's how we move obstacles in this town.
Together!
Together.
Route 66 is open for business. Kathy Copter out.
The Radiator Springs light display. It required more power than a rocket ship. A little to the left. No, the right. Perfection. I brought the extra sparkle. Look at this beauty.
Mater!
Stop! That's too many lights! That's too many lights! Dadgum shoelaces! Hey! Hey! Watch the paint job, man! No! Not the main breaker!
And just like that, Christmas was canceled.
I can't work in these conditions. My grill needs lighting. Ouch! Who put that pole there?
It's natural luminescence, man. The darkness is just a state of mind.
Radiator Springs has gone dark. I repeat, the town is invisible.
Non funziona. Bacchetta ragiona.
It's Christmas Eve. We can't have a dark tree.
Wait a minute. We don't need the power grid. We ARE the power. Everyone, circle up. Headlights on high beam. Aim for the tree. Aiming high. Let's paint it with light. Turn 'em on, sticker boy, or I'll tow ya, I'll tow ya.
Three, two, one. Ignition end.
It's even better than the electric lights.
Nice work, Matter.
I planned like cake.
All along. Great. Now my battery is dead. Can someone jump me? The brightest lights come from the best friends. Merry Christmas.
The desert dust has turned to winter snow. Christmas has arrived in Radiator Springs.
Higher, Guido. It needs to be taller than the courthouse. Green paint for the needles. Smooth and festive.
It looks beautiful, Stickers. But something is missing.
We forgot the star. We can't light the tree without a star.
I have the perfect star right here. The Chick Hicks star. Absolutely not. This is a town celebration, not a commercial. Use this, man. It's organic glow juice. Pure peace. I think, Ogahaka, I think I have something in the clinic. From the old days. Dadgum! Is that a piston cup? It's the original star from the first town hall. A bit rusty, though. Ramon! We have a job for you! For you. Emergency Christmas polish. Pit stop. Now that is what I call holiday bling.
Air transport ready. Let's get this star where it belongs. Up, up, and away. The finishing touch.
Steady! Steady! Perfect! Plugging in the Christmas spirit. Fine-looking tree, Hudson. Fine-looking town. Yeah. Thomas Pius, huh? It's, decent. I guess.
Jingle trucks, jingle all the way.
Merry Christmas, Radiator Springs!
And to all, a good night.
It was a scorching day in Ornament Valley. The kind of heat that makes tires melt. Ha! I'll find a shortcut and beat McQueen's time.
Whoa! No, no, no! Help! Help! Someone help! Help!
Base, this is Kathy Copter. We have a code red in Sector 4.
Sounds like trouble. Mater, get your cable ready. I'm coming too. You might need an anchor. That dadgum. He's really in a pickle down there. McQueen? Matter? Get me out of here! The ledge is cracking! Mater, you go in reverse. McQueen, hook up to Mater's front to hold him back. I got you, buddy. Got you, buddy. I won't let you slip. Coming down for ya, chick. It's too far. I can't reach it.
Let me give you a little push.
I got it. Pull! Pull! He's heavier. That's heavier than a tank full of lead. Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Steady. Easy does it. These canyons aren't a racetrack, son. Thanks, I guess. Nice towing, Matter.
Another successful rescue for the Radiator Springs team.
Just doing my job. My job. Outside, the winter wind howled. But inside, the fire was bright.
This is exactly what I needed. Hot, high-octane cocoa for everyone.
Don't burn your tongues, honeys. It's colder than a polar bear's toenail out there. That's the stuff. Even the old racer took a moment to slow down. Careful, Guido. Do not drop the stockings. I didn't wrap it very well, but...
I hope you like it. Oh, tinkang stekje putten it stitten gordo stickers. Oh, it's wonderful.
I knitted it myself. I used my tow cable as a needle. It fits perfectly, Matter. Fits perfectly, Matter. Thank you.
Chamomile and engine coolant blend. Relax, man.
And then I drove through a snowstorm this big.
The storm is passing. It's going to be a silent night. The world outside was frozen, but their hearts were full.
Not bad for a bunch of old air race cars.
Looks like the coziest place on Earth down there.
To Radiator Springs. To home. To home.
And so, the town slept, wrapped in the warmth of friendship. Merry Christmas!
Yo! Whoa, man. The Earth has some bad vibes today.
Mamma mia! Everyone to open ground! Away from the buildings! I ain't dancing. The road is dancing. Save me! Save me! I am too famous to get squashed.
It's a big one! The whole canyon is shaking!
Get under here, little guy! Daggum! The road is slippery like a banana peel. Whoa! That was close! Brace yourselves! Aftershock.
Sound off. Is everyone in one piece?
Okie dokie. I wasn't scared. I was just inspecting this rock. Not a scratch. Still smooth.
The Earth just needed to stretch its back, man.
Let's patch this up. Let's patch this up before someone trips.
Good leadership, Hudson. Hudson, you kept everyone safe.
Radiator Springs is tougher than any rock.
All clear. Good night, Radiator Springs.
The sun rises over the quiet desert. Even champions need to wake up.
I'm awake! At least I'm awake!
Gotta stretch the suspension. Ka-chow! Looking good, Stickers.
The morning drive is slow and steady, taking in the fresh air.
Time to pick up the pace. Turn right to go left.
I'd say it's even. Tag sounds.
Whoa! Need new shocks for this. Woo! Close call. The Willie's Butte Challenge. It never gets easier. I can do this.
Made it.
But the view is always worth the struggle.
And McQueen takes the win. As the sun sets, the engine cools down.
Ah, refreshing. Shiny as a new dime. Another day done. Another day faster.
Good night, world.
Speed. I am speed. In Radiator Springs, even the sunrise is a work of art.
Another beautiful day to create. Gotta keep the flow loose. Looking sharp, Ramon. Hey, looking sharp.
An artist is never finished. He is just preparing for the next masterpiece.
Low, low, and slow. That's the the tempo. Inspiration can be found in the curve of a canyon. I look good going, coming and going.
He doesn't just drive the road, he paints it with his tires.
Sun's going down. Time to light up. Now we're cruising. Huh. Huh. Not bad for a day's work. Catch you on the flip side.
Art never sleeps. It just rests.
The desert sky turned a color no one wanted to see. A storm was brewing.
I don't like the look of those clouds. They're moving too fast. Pressure's dropping like a stone. This isn't just a thunderstorm.
Warning! Tornado forming in Sector 9. Take cover immediately.
It's a twister! I gotta warn the town!
Doc, did you see it?
I saw it! We need to get to the canyon shelter.
It's gaining size. Get out of the open, boys.
Whoa! Flying fence! Follow my line, kid. Don't let the wind push you. Full throttle! Don't stop!
Whoa! Turbulence is too high. I'm going higher.
There. The canyon walls will shield us. It was a race against nature itself. We made it! Barely.
The storm is breaking up. The danger has passed.
Check the damage. Let's go check the damage. Ah! Look at that cactus. It's like a pretzel. Oh, a pretzel, huh?
Glad to see you boys are shiny side up.
You can't outrun everything, kid. But you can outsmart it.
After the storm comes the calm. In the corner of the impound lot stood a tree that Christmas forgot.
Dadgum! This tree is balder than Doc's tires. That's not a tree, that's a stick! Junk it!
Wait, it still has strong roots. We don't junk things in this town. We fix them.
It's malnourished and leaning. It needs a full tune-up. All right, everyone. Operation Tree Rescue starts now. Easy does it. Straightening the chassis. Snip. Snip, snip. Remove the rust, reveal the beauty. My special organic blend, man. It'll bring the vibes back. Nature needs a little help. Time for some green emerald metallic.
Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Better than new.
Special delivery. The bling has arrived.
Spin cycle activated. Wrapping it tight.
It's an old trophy, but it shines bright enough. Pit stop! Pit stop! Finito!
The sun went down, and the town gathered to see the miracle.
No way! Is that the same stick? It's the most beautifulest thing I ever fixed.
Ramon, honey, that green is your best work yet.
It wasn't perfect, but it was restored with love.
Merry Christmas, Radiator Springs. Over and out.